was located near North Judson or near Knox, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Plymouth, Knox, Bourbon, North Judson, Argus, Culver, Hamlet, Walnut, Tippecanoe, Elk Grove, Lomax, Over, English Lake, Brems, Hibbard, Winona, Old Tip Town, Donaldson, Grovertown, and Thomaston. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time or 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana. Report, Marshall and Stark. This is NOAA Weather Radio KJY62 in Lipport. Visit our website via weather.gov/